Hey everyone, this is another box for Operation Christmas Child 2021. This is a boys 2 to 4. It does have a theme. It is an airplane theme. So this is what he sees. He opens his box. I had a little bit of difficulty trying to decide what plush to give him, because when have you ever seen a plush airplane? But this guy fit the best in his box, so he's getting this cute little whale that I'm sure he could make fly if he wants. So we've got some coordinating colors, of course. We got blues, yellows, mainly blue and yellow, kind of, but other colors too. So he's got these cute little wheeled toys that are, it's an airplane and a helicopter. He's got a maraca. He's got his soap in a soap dish. He's got a cup with a yellow ball. He's got a fork and a spoon with 2 toothbrushes. He's got a pack of crayons. He's got his nail clippers and files with instructions. I made him a little blanket. I had this fabric and I was planning on doing an airplane themed box, since I had those 2 toys and this, and I found this fabric. So, and I didn't think I was going to do another airplane box, so I decided to go ahead and make him just this little, it's not very big, but it's a little cuddle blanket. I zigzagged a large ribbon on it so he can carry it or hang it up. So just a light little blanket. All of our boxes always go to warm countries. He's got his washcloth also, same material, and I just put a blue behind it. He's got his pencil case, which has a sharpener, eraser, all the normal things I put in 2 to 4s, 2 click pens, and his pencils. He's got this really cute puzzle. That's an airplane. He's got a comb, yellow comb. He's got this bag, which I didn't have enough material to make to do the straps, so I just did blue straps on it. It's really cute though, and I had to cut it one. Well, maybe just, yeah, no, I had to cut it twice to make it the size I wanted to. But that's okay. I cross-stitched, I zigzagged the seams, so they should hold up pretty well. He's got some socks. He's got 2 notebooks, and I just stuck some of his stickers on one of them. There's the rest of them. He's got some print-offs. I printed off for him to color. This one is a jumbo one, and one of those, they're like the Melissa and Doug coloring pads, but they're the off-brand. So I just rip out the pages and put some in, or I started to. So he's got that one. He's got this one. He's got that one. He's got that one. I think that's Daniel Tiger. I don't know. Kind of looks like him, even though I've never seen the cartoon. He's got that one. He's got that one. He's got that one. So he's got some pages to color. He's got his card from us. He also has these stickers. It's really cute. And he's got this board book. It's really, really cute. Really cute about a helicopter. And it does make helicopter noises. Really cute. So he's got that nice board book, and then he has a yellow bandana on the bottom. So that is my airplane box for 2 to 4 Boy. Hope you enjoyed it. Take care and God bless.